Alright, we're making a demo video. We're going to be programming in this video, so of course we're going to import IR. We include the standard IR main section of the code. In order to show off the capabilities of IR, I'm just going to make a simple calculator type program. We've added an add and a subtract method, and saved the file as demo.i. Let's give it a try. I'm running python demo.i. It's showing us the usage. We can run demo.i add or subtract. Let's go ahead and add two numbers. 3 and 4 gives 7, 3 and 8 gives 11, 3 and -3 gives 0. Why don't we try to subtract? 10 minus 7, that's 3. Great, seems to be working really well. Let's jump into interactive mode. We now have the add function and subtract function already defined, so we can add the subtraction 7 from 10 to 8, which is 11. Indeed we do. Thanks for watching.